Most people treat building AI voice agents like they are just setting up a simple chatbot. But voice is completely different because you are dealing with latency, tone, and conversational flow. If your system prompt results in a voice agent that sounds robotic, interrupts the user, or gets confused by simple questions, you're going to lose leads and waste money. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact 3-step formula to writing the perfect system prompts for voice agents. We're going to turn a blank page into a human-sounding, production-ready AI agent in under 60 seconds. So let's get into it. Hi, I'm Chris, and today we're using Gemini to architect our voice agents. This is my absolute favorite tool for this workflow because its logic reasoning is superior for conversational design. We are going to skip the basics and jump straight into the architecture of the system prompt itself. I need you to stick around for step number 3 because there is one specific sentence that I add to the end of every single prompt that I write. It literally increases the reliability of the voice agent's logic from about 80% to 90%, meaning your AI agent won't hallucinate while it's on the phone with a real customer. Let's dive in. The first step is about the role and the goal. If you open Gemini and type, "Write me a prompt for a caller," it has no idea what context to use. It might give you a script for a customer support chat rather than a conversational phone agent. We need to narrow this lane down immediately. So instead, you'll need to say something like, "You are a voice AI architect and a Vapi expert. Your goal is to help me write the system prompt for an outbound AI caller for the real estate niche." By doing this, we have instantly forced the AI to ignore the generic text-based training and focus strictly on conversational dynamics. This cuts out the noise and sets us up for a natural conversation. Step number 2 is giving it context. And the best way to do this is by being lazy and using examples. Structuring a voice agent prompt is hard, and I never want to write that from scratch. So here I have a ready-made system prompt for a dental receptionist that I built last week. But today, I need to build a real estate agent. I'm simply going to upload the dental file and say, I have attached an example of an ideal voice agent system prompt, but this one is in the dental niche. I need you to adapt it here for the real estate niche. This is powerful because the AI will mimic the conversational structure. It keeps the short sentences and the casual tone, but it will swap out the variables. It changes book a checkup to schedule a viewing without breaking the conversational flow. Step number 3 is the most important for your workflow, and that is constraints and response formats. If you don't do this, Gemini might just chat with you about the script. We need the actual text block to put into our telephony provider. So I always say, give your response as a single block of code. This allows me to copy it with one click and paste it directly into the system prompt field in Vapi or Retail. Then immediately after that, I say, give me exactly what you changed and why. This creates a changelog. Instead of reading through the entire prompt to see if it understood the new objective, I can just look at the summary. So let's generate our new prompt. And perfect. I can see that it's generated a new system prompt in a new block that I can easily copy the code from. And as we scroll down, I can see the new changelog. So it's changed the identity and tone, it's changed the core objectives, interaction style, the specific scenarios, the guardrails, as well as the tool usage. And finally, here's the secret sauce I promised you. At the very end of your prompt, add this exact line. Triple check for accuracy. When AI generates a voice script once, there is about a 20% chance it leaves a placeholder or messes up the logic flow, which sounds terrible on a live call. But when you tell it to triple check, it runs the logic loop 3 times before giving you the final system prompt. It is essentially grading its own homework. This pushes the probability of a flawless logic flow up to about 90%. If you just add this one line, your voice agents will be sharper, they will handle objections better, and they won't have to waste time re-prompting. So there it is. You just learnt the exact 3-step formula that I use to build high-quality voice agents fast. Number 1 is role and goal. Number 2 is context using existing voice prompt examples. And number 3 is response format with the triple check. If you want to download the actual system prompt templates I use in this video, go ahead and visit my automation vault. The link's in the description. And if you like this workflow, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.